Hello, everyone. My name is Laura Faria, and I am a security sales engineer for Cisco. And today I will be giving a secure access demo for you guys. Now, some of the introductory questions that I might start off with might be what are you currently using for DNS security? Have you heard of remote browser isolation? Or do you have any necessities for sandboxing? What are you currently using for DLP solutions? Do you have the need for remote access VPN currently? And how are you allowing remote users to access your network or third party applications? Okay, thank you for your honesty. I appreciate the answers to those questions. So, just as a refresher, Cisco Secure Access is a cloud security SSS solution that provides seamless and secure access to any application, port, or protocol. And this is one of our bigger solutions. It has a lot of modules built in. So, for example, this solution has the ability to provide zero trust network access, firewall as a service, secure web gateway, CASB capabilities, as well as a lot more. And of course, as our other securities are, they're powered by Talos Threat Intelligence, providing you secure and true, malware detection. Okay, let's jump right into the demo. I like to show the experience insights powered by Thousand Eyes because this is one of our newer integrations and it is really powerful. So this gives you a comprehensive view on the device and network behavior by identity, right? So let's take on the persona of an administrator that has just received a phone call about a user having problems accessing a certain application. So here I can see we have very fun interactive map that we can look at, but I can also search by user here. And I've been told that Carol has been having problems accessing some of the local drives that she needs to access to complete her job. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that Carol has internet access and that her device is healthy. So I'm going to just scroll down to performance and I can actually hover over this and see that she has very strong internet speed and that her device has, generally from what we can tell is healthy. So I wanted to make sure that, that wasn't an issue before I started my investigation process. So always good to check that first. And, I can see from just some of the information about her that she has been seeing some blocked events, and I can see some of the policies that are being applied to her. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click under block events, and this is going to bring me into our logs. So this is our activity search, and I'm filtered right now by Carol and blocked, but I can obviously use this search engine to dial in more if I needed to. And here I can read that she is trying to access local drives, and that the action is being read as blocked. And I can also see that the rule which is blocking her is all private access. Now, if I wasn't sure what that rule consisted of or what the rule meant, I could go into here under my access policy and get more information about all of my rules. Just as our firewall rules are read, we read them from top to bottom. And then we have a catch all um, rule at the very bottom, which says that all private access that do not meet the criteria above are going to be blocked. So I can see that this is the rule that is getting blocked. Now, I know that Carol belongs to the HR department. And so what I'm going to do next is see if she is um, authorized to see the application that she would like to see. And so I'm going to click on this HR application rule, and I can see here that this rule has two sources and one destination, which include the finance active director groups, the HR active director groups, and they're trying to hit a this file server. So a lot of really good information here. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check. I know that Carol is in the HR department, but I don't know if she's been added to this Active Directory group. So we have Active Directory integrations with most Active Directory providers. So here I can look under my groups, and under my HR group set, I can see if Carol has been um, placed in the correct Active Directory group, and I do not find her name in this list. Now, instead of changing anything on my secure access, I am going to actually contact my Active Directory administrator, or if that's myself, then I will go into my Active Directory um, server and make sure that Carol has been assigned the HR group so that that tag can be transferred over to our secure access and she can receive the access that she needs. And there you have it. So in that demo, we were able to show our Thousand Eyes integration, which shows our user experience. We were able to look through the logs and identify a policy that has resulted in a blocked request. We filtered through the policy rules and were able to identify a policy that she needed to access the resource. And finally, we were able to determine that Carol had not been added to the correct Active Directory group. And so by changing the Active Directory group for Carol, um, that's going to we're going to inherit that, and she's going to get the access that she needs. So I hope that this quick and short demo was able to give you a quick glimpse into the power of our cloud security solution. And if you have any other questions, I would be more than happy to answer those today. Thank you.